guys, Narrative Jammers, welcome back to another video. So, I do have the call just now, but anyway guys, I don't want to have an update because there is an update, so we're going to be in the update. Yeah, I do have the call though. Tokens! Yes, we have tokens come to Jama. Tokens have come to Jama. Become a token today and soar around the skies of Jama. And don't forget to check out the token label in the Chamber of Knowledge. Okay, there might be a prize in it, but I think the girl looks so good. Oh, she's my the Phantom Backhands. The layout of stopping the dreaded Phantom Fortress is an ancient relic that lies around Phantom's bastards. Are you brave enough to break through the corruption and face phantoms in this all new activity event with remember wolves, Arctic wolves, tigers, and Arctic foxes? Oh, I don't know. We might need to do that in another video. And you then. Oh yeah, that was another sneak peek. You can go watch that if you want to. You asked for it, I know you got it. Now you can create your own art gallery with this amazing new den. Yay! Cool! Can we put like paintings in here? That'd be so cool. Pet llamas. This one's so cute. It's purple, orange, and pink. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. Have you seen the super cute, super new, and super cute pet llamas that are waiting to be adopted in the dinosaur? Oh, I want one. Spike sale this weekend only. Oh yeah, they've done one like this before. This Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only. A brand new set of spiked collars and spiked wristbands will be for sale at the dinosaur. These never before seen items will be only be available this weekend. So be sure to look yours. Okay, fine. Okay, but they just spikes two times. Can't they do something else? I don't know. A royal outfit. Ooh! Pick up the royal outfit, the majestic new outfit that is fit for a king and queen. Cool. And grab click below or visit the art studio in Coral Canyons to watch. Okay, I might do it in the video and I don't jump boxes. Let us go to this diamond shop. Okay, it's full here, so let's buy a toucan. Okay, that looks small. Okay, let's just buy it. Let's straight up just buy it. Right, okay. Here's the moment of the truth. Okay, come on. Right, load. Please load, please. Let's see. Oh, that's tiny. Let's change the colors. Change to blue. Green. See patterns. Why it doesn't exist. Let's change it. Oh yeah, I think we should fix this. Let's check out head items. To be honest, not really many items are good in this. I was actually so excited for this, but no, it doesn't really seem that great to me. I don't know, it's just nothing really looks good on it, to be honest with you. Okay, hey, let's just do that. I know, right. Let's buy a pet llama now. Oh my god. Look how cute. Alright, okay. Let's have like a light blue and a pink. So its eyes look normal. The ears, they yeah. Is that what we had before? That hair? And then that ears. I think this one kind of looks funny. I quite like this one. I'm gonna go with that just because it's me. Oh my gosh. That. I'm making a funny llama. Let's buy it. Buy that item. Stuffed owl is not an item. Personality sophisticated. Okay, I'm sophisticated. Favorite toy, go-kart and carrot sticks. That actually makes sense. Carrot sticks. Right, okay, now let's check out this new den. Oh, so much. This is like one of the best ever on sale. Let's do it up. Buy it. Now, yeah, freeze, diamond. So let's see. Where's it on this system? Let me click on it, please. Oh. Okay. It's like they wanted to bring. It looks like they wanted to bring the brown back, and that is. They didn't bring back the silver one. Let's play this one. Let's try out the new den. Let's try out the new den. Okay. Art gallery. Let's try it out. Oh, cool. So you can put your own art in it because you can. This is cool. Guys, I have my own art gallery. This would be nice because this actually has an art gallery, but I don't even have any masterpieces. Yeah, like this has her own like art gallery, so this would be perfect for her. Oh, I wonder if she got it or not. I don't even know if she's uploaded the video yet. If she's even making a video of it. There's been a lot of drama going on. I just decided not to even try and get into it. To be honest. I don't know. They've changed it so your animal doesn't go with you as soon as you buy it. That's quite annoying. Isn't it? Yeah. I can just sit and decorate for ages. To be honest with you. See, I would trade Reese this if I could. Well, I can't. No, I can't. I would trade this to her because I know she has an art gallery, and I would just save up the diamonds to buy a new one. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Goodbye. Unlock this. Just in case you guys want to come in and, maybe have a look around. I'll be here hanging out with my tooth for a while, just in case you want to come. I'll be on Animal Jam quite a lot. I don't know if I make videos quite a lot of time, so I have to think about it. But yeah, I'll try to spend time. I'll try and do this, and I'll meet you on Animal Jam if you come to my den today, or tomorrow, or the next day. Then I will be sure. I'll be definitely meet you because I'll be on all those 3 days for you guys just to meet you.